Hi, I'm Matt Farmer, and I'm here today to show you how to correctly set up the greeting in your Power Virtual Agent so you can suggest actions that your user can take within your bot. It's a really common requirement that we come across very often. You want to set up multiple options that your users can choose. I'm going to show you today what not to do and the correct way to implement it. So here we are in Power Virtual Agents, and as you can see, we're in the greeting topic, the system topic that comes with PVA. I have added a question at the bottom that will show two buttons. It will show store near me or opening hours. So let's look at what happens when I trigger that. So we've triggered the greeting and we've shown these buttons. Now that I'll show you what the problem is. If I enter a different item, products, because PVA is using a multiple choice, it's a closed list. It's trying to get you to trigger one of the two options I've presented. And this would be the case if it was 3, 4, 5 options presented. It's trying to match against one of them. But you want the root of your bot to be able to match against all your topics that you've added trigger phrases for. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Here we are in Bot Framework Composer. We're going to create a new dialog. We'll call it suggest. Now, what we have to do here is create one actual action. We send a response. And in the response, what we're going to add is what we call suggested actions. So we can add suggested actions just like we had before of stores near me and opening hours. And that's all you have to do. Publish this back to your bot. Now back in PVA, what we're going to do is remove the question. And we're going to add the bot framework dialog we created. Save your topic. And now we'll trigger the greeting again. You can see we have the same buttons we had before, but this time if I decide to enter products, it's actually triggered like PVA is supposed to. It's not provided any additional weighting on that triggering. So that's it. Use suggested actions within your greeting to make your users aware of what your bot can do, but without causing any weighting or issues with your bot triggering. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.